Hi guys, I want to release a short update on my SCSI2SD video with the hard disk 20, and I have to thank Joe who commented on the video because I had some problems initializing the SCSI2SD as I wanted it, and he suggested to use a program called Lido. So I'm trying this all over again. I did go back to my original settings. I will show you the picture-in-picture screen right now, where I just set the SCSI2SD to 20 megabyte. I have set the SCSI device on device number 3, because that way I have options in both ways to mount other devices. And I have reformatted the SD card, this time with the official SD format app. So there is nothing special, nothing fancy, it's just a standard formatting that went over the SD card, and it's blank. I did not put any image on that, and I'm gonna try it like that. Now, as you can see, I also changed the configuration. So I moved to a version 5.0 board because it's a bit smaller. It has micro SD card, which, well, doesn't really matter, but it has the direct plug for the indicator light, which I like very much to have inside this case. And well, that's basically it. As you can remember, I also said I will probably use a shorter USB cable. I fixed that by now. All right, let's turn it on. Again, you can hear the fan. Now, what I need now is a system tools disk, which I have here, and I also have a floppy disk where I put this Lido program on, version 7.5.6 to be precise. And I will try to mount this 20 megabyte image with this program. Now, I theoretically have an external floppy drive, but I want to show you also the struggles of early computing with continuously having to switch disks. That's why I'm using only the internal drive for now. So I will eject the system tools disk, and then I will insert the floppy disk with the Lido program. And when I open this program, what happens is it will continuously need parts of the system to actually load and mount the disk. So this is a back and forth now, which will eventually go on for a while. I did not count how many times you actually have to change the disk, but it can easily be up to 20 or 30 times. So there we go. And again. This of course doesn't happen, like I said, when you're using a second external drive or an internal hard drive where the system is running from. Then you don't continuously need parts of the system to be loaded from the floppy disk. But it actually is incredible that the whole thing worked like that. I mean, imagine loading only parts of a Macintosh system from an 800K floppy drive. Alright, let's hope this will finish soon. Okay, now the program is loading. And as you can see, it recognizes on SCSI priority 3 that there is a 19 megabyte hard disk drive, which is not a Macintosh disk. I'm just going to click the easy setup. And it of course needs the system again and again. Yes, I will delete it because it's just a formatted SD card. The nice thing about this program is that you can actually choose the icon it's going to have, but I just want the regular hard drive icon. And it's formatting. As you can see, the indicator light on the external hard drive is loading. And that should be it. It's now Mac volume. Now I'll quit this application. Focus. And that's it. And here we have it. And that's how easy you can create a 20 megabyte image, on which you then can install System 608 with the floppy disks like I've shown you in my first video. So thanks again to Joe. Thanks a lot for recommending Lido to me. I wasn't aware of this program before. And well, take care.